Hey there, it's Mike from the CurrentWare team. Today I'm going to quickly walk through a typical upgrade of your CurrentWare server. Once you have that download package installed, open it up and go to the CurrentWare application. Double click to run it, and this will start the upgrade process. Select Next, press Install. It'll go through the installer here. This may take a couple minutes. Once you get through the install, it may prompt you to enter login credentials. If you remember your login credentials, you can select I already have an operator. Otherwise, you can always re-add credentials and select Add Operator. If you do get any prompts during the install, it may be prompting that you need to restart after the installation completes. Now we've hit the final step of the upgrade. Select Next. We've now hit the configuration page, which is going to go over the recommended exclusions for your antivirus and for your firewall. Select Next. And now you can press Finish. You've completed the upgrade. You can hit your CurrentWare console button. You should see that it's fully upgraded and you're able to log in. Thanks for watching.